3 bafana North Lesotho. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje okhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game ade siyibuka namhlanje yeBafana versus iLesotho. Yama World Cup qualifiers ango-2026 bafethu ayodlala next year. Bafana bafethu iwinile le game le ngamagoli aqhamuka kubane, igoli eliqhamuka kuNkota, igoli eliqhamuka kuFoster negoli eliqhamuka ku-Osuna Police. Abadlali baqhamuka ku-Orlando Pirates, but ke that's a story for another day. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngendlela iBafana i-approach ngakhona le game, indlela iBafana eyibeke ngakhona. To be honest, akekho umuntu bekulindele ukuthi somqalisa namhlanje uTebogo Mokoena. The news surrounding him, the news surrounding the point deduction engenzeka yenziwe iLesotho. Benikhumbula kahle phela uTebogo Mokoena bafethu kusane case nje bafethu esasimincisile, but ke okwamanje let's keep on winning the remaining games. Icase yakho uTebogo Mokoena soyibona sesiyibona, lama games asisalela siwawine nje wonke. Icase yaTebogo soyibona sesiyibona, so iBafana yenza nje lokho. Currently ama games aso5, sesiwine ama games awu5 kulandelana kuma World Cup qualifiers since 2002, and abafethu bayaqhubeka ngempela. Igame esoyidlala elandelayo sodlala against iNigeria. Njengoba uyibona nje iBafana currently ina 16 points, ihleli lapha esicongweni, silandelwa iBenin. iBenin adidlala ke namhlanje idlala neZimbabwe in 11 points. I think iBenin winile for no mistaken. Mase kuthi number 3 kune Rwanda esanama games awu6 isane game ezoyidlala, I think iyodlala neNigeria. Mase kuthi sishayeleke iLesotho yona ina 6 points, iZimbabwe ile ezansi ina 4 points. It's a pity ukuthi iZimbabwe ile, but ke le game le group bafethu ivulekile. Le group ivulekile. iNigeria uma iwini game yakusasa izosuka lapha ezansi ibe na 10 points. Yabo izosuka lapha ezansi ibe na 10 points, so izobu number 3. neRwanda nayo iyafuna ukuwina, ikhuphukile lapha phezulu ye number 2. So ama team wonke njengoba niwabona la ivulekile le group le. Bafana lapha phezulu uma engase ithi yabo ukushibileka kancane against iNigeria, singayibona iBafana iba ne pressure, siyibone iNigeria iza la. Yabo, so ngesikwazi ukuthi le game le yaseshock le game elandelayo, ngesikwazi ukuthi siqualify for iWorld Cup, but sisanawo amathuba ukuthi kulama games lawa alandelayo, because asakhona ama games iBafana kumele wadlala kuma qualifiers. It is not the end. Yabo, sazodlala against iZimbabwe, sazodlala futhi against iRwanda if I'm not mistaken. So asakhona ama games sazowadlala. But ke coming to the game, igame bafethu indlela esi-approach ngakhona aseloki ngilanda kakhulu, sengikhohlwa igame bafethu. Indlela esi-approach ngakhona le game ngithandile bafethu. At the back athi dlalisa abantu Moleisane benalo mfowethu lo Mbokazi bafethu. Kumele sibe neqiniso bafethu, umfana bafethu, he is the future of ibhola la South Africa. He is the future of ama defenders ala South Africa. I just hope umjida uyayithola team right phesheya ezomsayina. Yabo, baningi abantu ade bemdoubt bethi umjida uzoshawa iheight, umjida warawara, but ke baningi futhi engibabonayo bethi silindele igame yakhe neNigeria. Yabo, iLesotho bafethu ifana nje njengeBaroka. iLesotho nje kusayi club encane leyo, kusayi country encane, sifuna ukumbona masedlala against le club lenkulu bafethu iNigeria. So silindele igame yayo ke bafethu iNigeria, nakhona futhi sombona enze izibukwayo. Nimbonile namhlanje enze izibukwayo. Namhlanje noMoleisane bayibambile igame ngefirst half. It's a pity kuMoleisane namhlanje uphumile bafethu, uthole ihead injury, ngathi umjuda ashesha lulami samdinga second leg. Uphumile namhlanje uMobi bafethu, ulimele uMobi, kwangena uMdunyelwa naye owenze kahle bafethu. Jealous down. Asibe nje unojealous down bafethu, uMdunyelwa bafethu indlela adlala ngayo. Ngiyathanda indlela adlala ngayo, akayi wide kakhulu uMdunyelwa uya deep eswini. Yabo, uthatha ibhola aqonde ngqo eswini, akayi wide njengama wing backs esijwayele ukwabona. Uvele nje angene eswini, agodle nje eswini. Udlaliswa kwalomdlalo lo udlalele Arsenal uCalafiori. If umazi uCalafiori kwaArsenal, uthatha ibhola alikhere ahambe eswini, adlalisa abadlali eswini, mase kuyahanjwa nebhola kiwe phambili. Ngiyayithanda indlela adlala ngakhona umjidi. U-add ama numbers phambili, wenza labadlali laba abadlala eswini bathi ukukhuphuka kancane. Mase ngiza khona eswini bafethu, abajida badlalele kamnandi eswini bangidlalele kamnandi, combination kambatha nika Tebogo Mokoena, what a quality bro. Quality ya Tebogo Mokoena. Tebogo Mokoena uyalazi bafethu. Combination yawo bathatha lapha eswini noSipho Mbule lapha phambili. Abafethu bayalithinta. Indlela abadlala ngakhona namhlanje. It's a pity ukuthi umfuke ngangenanga. I know ukuthi ucoach uyamresta for igame esoyidlala against iNigeria. Yabo, I know ukuthi sine game nje ibalekile soyidlala neNigeria. So it was a good thing ukuthi ucoach amrest umfukeng mfethu. Aubrey Modiba nayo ngidlalele kamnandi umjida lapha, I left a beautiful cross, ayishayile lapha sibona igoli elihle likoronkota. uNkota kaphenekake eboxini, vele nje washaya nje first touch walibeke nethini. Nothing special, nothing fancy njalo, nothing fancy. Ibhola nje ufika first touch. Yabo, natha eboxini akumele uzucime kakhulu kube lela bhola lithola uhotho nkosi yami ngabe ulicime laphuma but ke kwigame yanamhlanje for me Osuna Police he was my man of the match. Today Osuna Police he was my man of the match. You can tell me your man of the match in my comments, but for me Osuna Police today he was one of the best players. I don't know how Hugo Bros wenza ngani uHugo Bros bafisa indlela enza ngayo uHugo Bros ukuthi amtshele Osuna Police adlale kahle, because indlela adlala ngakhona ngikaze ngimbone mina Osuna Police mfethu esinike izinto kanje. I know it's 5 games usadlale 5 games kuOrlando Pirates umjidi usasekla in, but indlela adlala ngakhona mekubafana he's a different player. He's a different player. He's a totally different player. You saw the way he turned around. You saw the runs he made. You saw the way he dribbled past the players. Lesotho. He's a different player when he's playing for iBafana Bafana. I want to see the type of Police Orlando Pirates. He's showing me some glimpses. I saw game yakhe against Chippo United. I'm seeing those glimpses of Osuna Police enjoy ukumbona kuBafana Bafana. Yabo, today Mchida he was one of the best players. He was one of the best players in that pitch. He deserved a man of the match. Angazi noma uyitholile yini. Mase ukuthi omunye umdlali bafethu ongidlalelile uNkota namhlanje ungidlalele kamnandi umjida, but angithandanga sesishintsha yabo sithe sesishintsha sesifaka abani sifaka uSibelebele safaka lo mjida lo obathuse Obus odlale kahle naye. Introduction yakhe obathuse Obus was very good. Umjida ungidlalele kahle. Sa introduce futhi noIkram Reyners. I didn't see a lot of Ikram Reyners. I didn't see umjida elithola kakhulu ibhola, but ke simintroduceile naye athi ukudlala kancane umjida. Ulael Foster lapha ulitholile naye igoli. Yabo, it was a tap in, nothing special kwigoli la Ulael Foster. For me, I'm not a big fan of Ulael Foster, guys. To be honest, yes, angadlala kwi-Premier League, but I'm not a big fan of umjida. I don't know. Yabo, I don't know. Mhlambe ngangitshela mina nina kuma comments uthi hawo. But now Ikram Reyners, I didn't see a lot of Ikram Reyners umjida angenzelanga lutho ngena, but ke at least Ulael Foster uscorelile mfethu asitholile igoli. At least soya kwi-World Cup sazi usinomdlalo odlala kwi-Premier League. Messi yabo singa celebrate oqala manje sanama games awu3 asisalele kulama qualifiers. Mesa iwina lelandelayo sesiqualifyile lawo 2 vele sobe sesiwadlala nje. I think mfethu uintroduce kwaSibelebele uSibelebele I think ushawe stage fright. I didn't see the Sibelebele I know from iOrlando Pirates kwigame namhlanje umjida. I think ushawe stage fright. I just hope kwigame elandelayo mesim introduce azosinikeza something, because we know uSibelebele as that kind of player okwazi ukuhlupa. Yebo, I didn't see the best of uSibelebele, even though he uthola ama minutes amancane athola ama minutes amakhulu. I think sim introduce ngabo 70 something. Yabo, he didn't get a lot of minutes, but ama minutes awatholile uzowajabulela, because there is something playing for iBafana Bafana in the World Cup qualifiers, making the squad that will represent South Africa World Cup. There is something yabo kwi-career yakhe umjida. So far iBafana Bafana currently sihleli nje endaweni eright ukuthi siqualify. Ngangitshela ama comments iyiphi into wena ekujabulisile kule game, mapha ama positives zakho mapha ama negatives zakho. But for me I was really impressed indlela idlale ngakhona namhlanje. I just hope igame eNigeria siqhubeka ngoshuni